How to dispute Uber charge. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can dispute Uber charge. For this, you want to open the Uber application on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, tap on the activity option at the bottom of your screen. Once you tap on this, you will have this option called past. Here, you will find all of your past trips. Now, you want to select the trip that you want to dispute. Now, out of all the options you want to select, I would like a refund. It is located under the list of help options. Now, if you see a receipt listed here, tap help in the middle of the page before proceeding. Now, you want to select an issue. While some of the issues listed in Uber app are indisputable, each of the following issue is disputable, such as my driver took a poor route, someone else took this trip, I made a toll or parking fee for my driver, and so on. Next, you want to read your selected issues policy. After that, you want to fill out the issues form, scroll down if necessary, and check out all the details. Then you want to tap on the submit button at the bottom of the page. This will send to the Uber your fare dispute. If Uber agrees with your dispute criteria, they will refund your payment method. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.